Alright, so this is Rocket, came to board with us. We're out here at the Sibley Nature Trail. This guy's sniffing out rabbits. Just barely got him to calm down just a little, but till these working line German Shepherds are never really take it easy. Always ready to go. He's on them. So this is why taking them out to the nature trails is good, especially for these guys. Get to use their nose, work their mind a little bit, and do a little tracking. And all that mental stimulation tires them out more than just a regular walk around their regular block. So changing up where you walk them from time to time is helpful. Nose to the ground. Trying to find that rabbit. So we do take more of the aggressive breeds. Not the aggressive breeds, but the bigger breeds. They maybe have some behavioral problems. And when they come on board with us, they're not just in the kennel most of the time. They're doing nature walks like this with Zero, or they're doing some sort of activity at the house, or just hanging out watching Scooby-Doo inside the house, outside of the kennel. We're a small kennel, but we are high quality. They spend very few hours in there aside from when they're asleep. The rest of the time they're living with me and Zero here. See that? Just caught one. Yep, he's right up in there. I can't let you go, little buddy. I saw him too. So this is Jared and Zero working with Rocket here, who's come to board at Second Chance Canine. Thanks for watching.